Okay. So first we want to open your box. And we recommend 2 people for lifting the printer out of the box. Grab it by the structural aluminum and lift. Alright, so first there'll be a 3/16 Allen wrench taped to this 2x4 in the front. So you want to use that to remove the 2x4s. There should be one in the front and also one in the back. You want to save the hardware because we'll use these to attach the side door. You can use any tiny screwdriver to get these nuts out. And there's a little spring on the back that's helpful to keep. Okay. Do the same on the back. Next, you want to free up the tape. Take these off. This is your side door and also your top sheet. Next, you'll probably want to release your display. And open your door. Now we want to take these boxes out. For the one on the left, you can just lift the side panel up out of the way. And using that same Allen wrench, you can loosen this bracket and raise it up. This box will just slide out the side. It'll be easier now if you release your bed, because this box is captured. Just put your hand up here to take pressure off. And you can just slide this forward and out. Now this, can you see this here? Mm-hmm. Okay, this bracket will need to be moved. Rotated, lift it a little bit and rotate it to the outside for its final positioning. The bracket on the other side needs to be removed and placed over here. When you place these, be careful not to pinch. There are some cables in here to go to the lighting assembly, and you don't want to pinch them with your screw. Just make sure it's tucked out of the way. In those big boxes that we took out, we'll have all the accessories. That'll include your material spool rods and some fastening hardware. So here I've got 3 of these loaded that came off the 2x4s. The last one I'll show you close up. I usually place this on the tiny screwdriver or hex driver, put the spring on, and this way you can feed it into the trough more easily. That's all there is to that. So taped to the rear 2x4 should have been the hinge bracket, and it'll have 4 screws in here. We'll need to take these screws out and attach them to the bubble top, or the side bubble. So now it's started, but these are still loose on the side, so we want to position the pre-drilled holes for where your posts are. They should be in the second hole down from the bottom, and the third one up from the third one up from the bottom, the second one down from the top. Okay, with that in a good position, still holding some of the pressure off. And this is where your material will feed up through the brackets and into your extruder heads if you're running with filament. Last thing would be a lot of tape was put on here to keep it from getting scratched and shipping. So you remove your tape. Also, you would remove this protective film, but I'm just going to leave it on here for now. There's one piece that has little brass posts, little standoffs. That's the top piece, and the posts go right in the center holes on each corner. That keeps that from sliding off. And then this is the right side as you look at it, because it's in the back. You're looking at the rear now. This cable is for an optional air filter if you like to get an air filter. Ta-da!